As we say at Koenigsegg, perfection is a moving target. Just when you think you've reached the ultimate pinnacle of performance or execution, there's always that next step. You can always go one step further. That's what Koenigsegg is all about. This is SADAIR'S Spear.
So why the SADAIR'S Spear? Well, we're just finishing off the wonderful Jesko program this year. And the last horse that Jesko raced in 1976 was the SADAIR'S Spear. So what better way than to celebrate the end of the Jesko and the start of a new performance era?
My name is Steve Dubs. I'm the concept and design manager at Koenigsegg. We are a small team of designers, surface modelers and engineers, and also responsible for the simulation department. From the first sketches, from the first ideas from Christian, then all the way to the A-class and concept release to our engineering colleagues. Today we're here in Gotland to present our newest creation, the SADAIR'S Spear. As Christian mentioned, it's named after Jesko's racehorse, so it's very fitting to also present it on the racetrack.
So like the 1-to-1, which was an evolution of the Agera before it, but it really set a new performance level never seen before. We're expecting the same here from the SADAIR'S Spear. It took something amazing and just pushed that limit a little bit further. And we're very curious to see what this can do and the performance it will show us going forward.
So SADAIR'S Spear is the most track-focused road car that we've ever built. With great power comes great cooling. We increased the overall cooling performance on this car by over 30%. Starting from the front of the car, we have a much bigger front hood outlet. This increases not only the front downforce, but also improves cooling massively. In the rear, we have new intake scoops. We added an additional engine oil radiator in the back. Also, the bigger dive planes we have on the side of the car not just improve front downforce, but also aid in the cooling of the rear intercoolers.
More air intakes, more cooling, more power. 1300 to be exact on 95 octane and 1625 on E85. It's just that little extra everywhere to take it to the next level.
We have quite a few aerodynamic refinements on the car. For this we have longer underfloor strakes. We have small improvements with the rocker louvers. These are the vents behind the front wheels. Louvers on top of the wheels are different. And then we have obviously this very big wing on the back of the car. It's a dual plane element rear wing. We have about 20% more downforce and 5% less drag. So another big change to the car, since we increased the downforce so much, we retuned the damper and spring setup of the car, both from the corner springs and the triplex. Another unique aspect of SADAIR'S Spear are the carbon air core wheels.
With our historic turbine wheel profile that we pioneered on the Agera R, that actually sucks air from underneath the car, increasing downforce and cooling the brakes. It's just a very neat trick, but it requires a unique wheel per corner of the car, which really puts a challenge on the production systems with that many varieties just for the wheels. But it makes the car what it is, just something out of this world.
And the big reason for the increased performance are these new tires. They allow us to put even more downforce on the car, which enhances its track capability. Here we have 275 with front tires and 335 with rear tires, both on Cup 2 and Cup 2Rs. So the car retains the incredible and amazing flat plane V8. Plus we carried over the 9-speed gearbox from Jesko with its incredible short and fast shifts. So this isn't a stripped out race car. We retain all the creature comforts like electric seat, stereo system, AC system, the autoskin system. We have lifters front and rear. We kept all these functionalities in the car while saving weight.
My name is Marcus Lund. development test driver at Koenigsegg.
The biggest difference I feel driving Koenigsegg compared to other cars in the same segment is the stability, especially high speed, cornering, braking.
As you see, I'm here without the top, so even if this car is like so extreme, we still have these awesome functionalities. I have electric seats, I have power brakes, power steering, airbags. For this model we also tuned in our dampers a bit more. This is a very bumpy track. It handles it so well. You can brake into this corner, for example. It's super bumpy in the middle here. You can just go for it. You can see that bump? It just swallows it. You can basically do one-handed drive this car. It's so fucking stable. So stable. The car rotates very nicely on corner exits. So you basically just go on throttle a little bit earlier than you would think, and then it kind of rotates a bit, and you just keep the car on a very nice slide. Super nice. Let's see what it can do.
So that's a wrap. What a beautiful day at Gotland Ring, the Nürburgring of Sweden. What a car, the SADAIR. Its first shakedowns run on a racetrack. It sets a record. What will the future bring? Thank you for watching.